Hi, I'm Judy Armstrong. Welcome to my studio. I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe, and I love getting comments and I answer them all. So yeah, thank you. Bye. Good morning, everybody. How are we? I hope your journey through your doorways is going well. It's May already. I cannot believe that. This one is Italian, and I decided to go like an Italian kind of architecture and make it a bit like the door on mine is very, very, very small with a bit of a scene going on and so forth. Now, I've already, as you can see, started by gluing down these very architectural pieces. And what I am going to do this month is I'm actually going to give these, I've printed off just a couple of A4 bits of mine with some architectural pieces in them and also some grunge, sort of grunge. And I'm going to put them up in a PDF on my Judy Armstrong Studio group page, and you will be able to download them for free and then create similar, but not, not exact, obviously, because anyway, so because I'm not actually going to go through it, I'm going to leave those papers with you. And and then we're just going to what I've been doing is I've been just walking through my little, I've got a little scene up here with an arch and a bit of sky. And so freedom, I think, was the word that I would brought through from April. Freedom. And I didn't actually write any words on that, but it was just the freedom, of doing what I wanted to do, I suppose. So anyway, getting back to, so looking at this, for me, I suppose, would be slight freedom if I could actually have the freedom to go to Italy again, because I have been there and it's absolutely spectacular. But so what I'm using on here is soft pastel, and then I'm going to use ink. So pretty much that's where I'm at. I've coloured in these with soft pastels. And soft pastel is something I don't actually use very often. So it's kind of it's good for me to use, and it's a bit of a messy thing, bit of a messy thing, and to put shadows in and so forth. And I enjoy using different mediums. That's the word I'm looking for. I really enjoy using different mediums. It kind of allows me to just remind myself, of what is possible. Now, I'm not too pedantic about all of this with the shading and everything, but I do want to put a little bit of, now I've got the background color in, and I have to say I'm actually not good at this. So I'm sure that there are people out there that are much better at this than me, but we can all have a try. And so I'm just going to turn the music on now and actually just do this while you're watching. And I probably will move into some ink after and make it my own as I do, and have a bit of a ponder what word or what sensation or emotion I'm taking into June, which is, it's getting colder here, and it's interesting, but June and July are like really cold, so that will be kind of a bit strange. I'm so used to the beautiful weather we've been having. doing on this one, I think. So I have to ask myself sort of what am I feeling as I walk among the ancient architecture, you know, in this picture. And I suppose the ancient beauty of the architecture is always, you know, always attracted me to anything that's like really old and has taken so much time to create and is still standing for us to view now. So I suppose lucky to be able to behold all of the beauty that is left behind from people that have been here before, I think. Anyway, I'm going to write a little, I think that's, you know, I am always so grateful that I managed to see some of the beautiful parts of Italy and some parts of the world that I just absolutely adore, and I hope to one day get back to. But, you know, you never know really, do you? You never know what's around the corner. But I think I'm going to leave that one there, and I'm going to go through this little door, and I am going to write a piece for about it and have a little bit more of a ponder on, not online. And I'm just going to write a piece that I'm going to incorporate into the next door, I think.